Hello there, it's me, Egil. Now, I've got a lovely tale for you from Denmark, but before you do that, sit down, relax, have some coffee or something else and just relax. Now, as you know, or may not know, the Vikings were great travellers, great seamen. But this is a story that maybe casts another angle on it. And it comes from Denmark. And I'm getting ready for a sea voyage myself. Now, the sailor had come back from a long haul across the world. He'd gone to Ireland, he'd gone over to the Isle of Man, been right the way around to Constantinople and brought back some amazing things. And he thought the next trip he'd go where the Rus go. We call it Russia. Anyway, he was loading his stuff to get on shore and was thinking about his wife, his children, and the adventures he'd had when he heard a squeaky voice.
Hello, you there?
Yeah, said another squeaky voice from the ship alongside. How was your voyage?
Well, I'll tell you, it was hard work.
Really? Why? What do you mean?
Well, I'll tell you, if it hadn't been for me, they'd have had no sail, no mast, the leaks would have engulfed the ship, and they'd have gone down, all men and mice as well. But did I get any thanks for it? No, they all said, "Oh, aren't we good sailors? It was all our skill." Pah.
So, what are you going to do?
I'll tell you what I'm going to do, mate. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave this ship and find another one.
I don't blame you, said the other gnome. You know, these humans, they take a lot for granted.
Yeah, I know, don't they?
They're taking all these laurels onto themselves.
I'm off.
The sailor hadn't been noticed, and he realised that this was a private conversation between gnomes. Gnome on gnome, as you will. Anyway, he thought, I'm off. I'm not hanging around here. The ship's luck is just getting ready to go. So he packed his bags, carried everything off. And the other crew members said, "You're mad. We're out to Constantinople again. We can get rich." Okay, he says, well, good luck to you. And while he was on shore waiting to look to find another ship to go on, off sailed his ship, Odin's Raven, as it sailed out across the bay. His heart sank as he saw it go, because he knew. And sure enough, 2-3 months later, word came back. The ship had sunk, all hands. Now there's a lesson. As in any job that involves danger and skill, you tend to find there's a mythology. Miners have dwarves that knock. And in some countries they leave cigarettes, they leave food and drink for them. And the Vikings were no exception. And who knows, maybe they're right. I don't know. I'm not going to say it doesn't exist. But if it doesn't, it ought to. I hope you've enjoyed this tale. If you have, leave us a comment at #Folktale. And if you'd like to subscribe where wonderful things happen, all you do is press the bar and then the subscription bell, and the world will be your oyster. Now, don't be put off if you don't hear anything from the comments section for a while. We have literally hundreds of people we're dealing with, and there's only a few of us. And it does take time, but trust me, you have my word, we do get back to you eventually. So I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. It's one of these stories I actually enjoy myself. I'm into gnomes and rabbits and things like that. And who knows, perhaps Bragi will have woken up and come to the surface. It's a private joke. Just say the word coffee and he'll remember what you said. Okay, I'm off. Bye now.